I think breweries really serve a need in every community. I think there's a reason now that there are almost 10,000 breweries in the United States, because I do think it's a place where people can come, they can feel welcome, community-oriented places. We donate to the local humane societies and we support local organizations. So, supporting local manufacturing, supporting, American manufacturing, I think is definitely important to everyone. We started construction here in 1995 and we opened in September of 1996. Fast forward 15 years, 16 years, and we started running out of capacity here. So opened up a second brewery here in town called Big Slide Brewery and Public House. And that's a separate restaurant, separate brewery. So I think the whole brewery industry is very concerned about sustainability. Here at the pub, we're 100% wind powered, which is something that was a real priority for us. All of our to-go containers are fully compostable, our straws are compostable. Not having to buy tons and tons of towels was really important to us. And one of the things that I think came with the first dryer was a little sticker that said, how many thousands of pounds of trees and carbon we're saving by using XLERATOR. We have custom covers now on all of our dryers. We started out with plain white, and now we've moved up in the world and have our logos on all the dryers. And I think it's pretty cool. We get some comments from people who think that it's kind of neat. As far as the bathroom experience goes, maybe it's a little bit of sizzle in there. We have the HEPA filtration system on our dryers, which is just one extra thing that keeps people healthy, keeps people safe. So I think that's a thing that people recognize. Breweries really put sanitation in the forefront of everything, maybe even more than your average restaurant. Like if there's any issues, then we could have a whole batch of beer go bad. So everyone under this roof is really concerned with keeping things clean, keeping things sanitized. So that the XLERATOR really fits right in with that. I love not spending money on paper towels. I think there's a huge cost savings having the XL dryers because, we were constantly spending money on paper towels, constant battle of refilling the dispensers, constant battle of cleaning up the floors. People think that they're LeBron James, but they don't hit the trash basket quite as often as they think. At Big Slide, we actually had the Dyson dried your hands, but we also then faced some issues with, cleaning that quite a bit as well, because all the water kind of would just go to the bottom where your fingers were. We're opening a new location in Saranac Lake, and that's going to be a separate restaurant, a whole 7-barrel brewery. We actually have a little canning line going in there. I think we're going to go with kind of the latest and greatest technology on that. So we're going to go with a sink system where you can wash your hands and get the soap and then dry your hands, right there in the same sink area. We are as excited as we can be for the new system.